Well, my dear students, in this session, we discuss more information about the meaning of sales letters and its types. Here, first introduction. Writing sales letters needs creativity on the part of writer. So, the letter should not only appear attractive but also appeal to the reader's emotions. Effective sales letters take time to compose and write. While writing the sales letter, you must take into consider the following points. First one, start with capturing the reader's attention or interest. For this, you may ask him questions about saving time or money, getting better service. Another point is stimulate the reader's desire for product or services in the following paragraph by describing them in terms of his motivation for compact, leisure, pleasure, saving of time or money, etc. Then support the desirability of the product by offering evidence from established statistical facts, independent testing services or guarantee, etc. Then motivate the readers for action at the end by telling him what exactly he is to do and how to do, like that. The sales letters are part of publicity and advertisement campaign. They perform salesman's function and educating and persuading the customers. Therefore, the principles of writing effective sales letters are the same as those of selling goods or services. Before writing the sales letter, the first and the foremost requirement is identification of reader's interest and needs and thorough knowledge of the product or services being offered. Remember, customer is not having the product or services, he is buying the benefits. Hence, we have to approach the customers by telling him the possible and potential benefits. Next, meaning of sales letters. Sales letters are the commonly used for giving information about products or services and persuading prospective customers. Another meaning is it has been defined as a form of direct mail in which an advertiser sends a letter to potential customers. Here, the main objectives of the sales letters are sales letters being persuading the messages are written to persuade the readers to believe what the writer intends to convey and to motivate him or to hear for potential action. The basic purpose of every sales letter is to promote the sales. However, the specific purpose of the various sales letters are first one, to promote a business idea. Secondly, to introduce the new product in the market. Next, to generate the new demand for the product. Next, to expand the network of customers. Next, to create the new customers. These are all the objectives. Then the definition of the sales letters. The sales letter is a letter to present a product to visitors as possible, so they decide to buy the products, or the aim of all the business is to sell goods and services and earn profits. It is the definition of the sales letters. Then the purpose of sales letters. The main purpose of sales letters are first one, to promote a business idea. Secondly, to introduce the new product in the market. Then to generate the new demand for the old product. Next one is to expand the network of customers, and lastly to create the new customers. Next, types of sales letters. The sales letters may be classified into the following 7 types. Among them, first one is introductory sales letters. Introductory sales letter. This type of letter is written to customer or a consumer to introduce to the company or a product. It also explains how readers will get benefit from the product or the service. It must grab people's attention, build their interest, and call to action. First type. Second type of sales letter is product update sales letters. Product update sales letters. According to its name suggests, this type of letter is to describe the benefits of the new products over older ones. Other details like a limited period to purchase and discount can also be included. Next, third type is selling incentive sales letters. It is another type of sales letter. It promotes existing products among current customers. It promotes the existing products among current customers. This type of letter must build some excitement among the readers to buy the products. Then fourth type is thank you sales letters. Here a sender writes this letter to thank the customers, to be a part of the business, to show the value of the customer. A brief mention is given on the availability of product for the customer. Next, fifth types of sales letter is holiday sales letters. Holiday sales letters. This letter gives a chance to offer a product as a gift for the customer. It also shows the discount and other limited to the holiday celebrations. Then sixth type is company celebration sales letters. Company celebration sales letters. It is an invitation to the customers for any celebration. This helps the customers to feel important. Then last one is we miss you sales letters. We miss you sales letters. This type of letter is for the customers who have not been too active recently. It helps the organization to blind with them and offers them good deals. Good deals. Then the sales letter generally contains the following information. The sales letters are commonly used for giving information about the product or services and persuading the prospective customers to buy. With the case of computers, the sales letters can be personalized to suit the needs and interest of selected groups or individual buyers. The letter is extremely adaptable medium for contacting potential customers. The sales letter is the most highly individualized form of advertising and publicity. It addresses the individual personality and attempts to change the person into the interested potential buyers. It is somewhat like a written sales presentations and follow the persuasion steps towards convincing. Thank you.